proudly display your name, title, and/or logo with Garvey Select customizable nameplates. We offer elegant and sleek finishes on our designs in both engraved and vinyl lettering to create that unique look. We can also match other nameplates if you need replacements. Ordering is easy. Go to www.getgarveys.com and click on the signs and nameplates icon. You'll be brought to an order form where you can select the sign or plate you need. Choose from our popular 2x8-inch or 2x10-inch size nameplates. Other sizes are available upon request. Select either a wall or desk holder to display your nameplate. Then, choose a color from our list. Finally, select a font that represents you and your business. We even have the ability to create customized signs. Use them to display emergency exits, restroom and telephone locations, parking signs, even a list of building directories. From 1 to 200 plates, no order is too small or too large for Garveys. We offer proofs to make sure you're 100% satisfied, and we can have your order processed and delivered within 5 business days. With nameplates starting as low as $11.50, there's no question, Garveys has the products you want at the right pricing. Contact our customer service department and they'll be more than happy to assist you. At Garveys, we have you covered.